How about this particular material that you always warn our audience about, right?
So the material is called asbestos. Construction material that was approved all along in 1970s, 80s. Last time it was approved is 1991. It was also used a lot in insulation, from sound, from heat insulation. This is something we will commission also. We'll get the asbestos surveyor to come now, take sampling, send to the lab, then we get the results. Either pass or fail. Yeah, but if it's fail, meaning there is asbestos material inside, then it's going to be a long process. We need to commission the right contractor, wear the spaceman suit, technically remove them from the site. MOM and BCA, they are especially careful on this because asbestos is supposed to be carcinogenic, causing cancer, and it's a result of constant exposure. That's why government decide to end this product. So that's also the case when we're doing rebuilding of the homes. It's good that we do a good thorough check.
If I were to buy a landed home, after knowing that there's asbestos, can I still do renovation or I can't? Or I have to remove this whole thing before I can do renovation?
Few sectors to that. First is that if I'm aware there's asbestos, should do a full elimination. But in some cases where there is a shorter term runway that you just want to rent out temporarily, then I would say that you isolate it, meaning you don't touch it at all. For example, this material, asbestos, are usually hide in the ceiling. If we are going to change a light bulb, so the minute we open the ceiling,
you're going to trigger that.
Exactly,
okay.
The trigger of the release. So no doubt that it will be just a short exposure, but we do not want our loved ones constantly exposed to that. If possible, eliminate it fully.
Okay.
But if not, we can isolate.